Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Thanksgiving or fall Dollar Tree DIY. I picked up one of these little tinsel thankful pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. It's a Thanksgiving decoration, but I am not a fan of the tinsel, so I thought we could make it look way more high-end just by removing all of the tinsel and everything that's on it. I basically just want the cage. Now it also has these plastic tabs. This part's kind of optional, but I think it looks a little bit cleaner if you go ahead and trim those off. For the raffia, I'm going to use this rolled raffia that I actually got on Amazon. I will try to post an affiliate link below if you're interested in it. It's like 200 yards, lasts forever. It's about $7. And if you unroll it, it's really thick like this. So I just start at the top, hot gluing that to the back. And I'm basically going to weave it through. So I go over under the cage. The cage is brown, so that's a nice neutral color that will go well with this DIY. And I just keep going back and forth. I had cut off a piece about as long as I could manage and then unroll one piece at a time. Now you don't have to unroll it. You could leave it skinnier and have way more rows. It's kind of up to you. I wanted to make it look wider like this because I think it kind of looks a little bit more like a corn husk feel. When I start and stop a new piece, I just hot glue them together like that and then just continue weaving like it was all one piece. I really love this. I guess you could also, if you wanted to use an item from the Dollar Tree for the weaving, you could use like the Dollar Tree grass skirts. It'll be a little bit skinnier, of course, but you could do that as well. I really wanted to try this raffia though. I was really excited to use it. So I just keep weaving until the entire pumpkin is covered. Now, I don't really want you to be able to see like the brown plastic pieces here that are like going across. So I'm going to use some of the unrolled raffia to cover that up, just hot gluing that into some like little seams there in my weaving pattern. And I think this turned out so cute. We're going to add some more fall touches to it to really take it up a notch. But I did want to cover all of that. For this part, I decided to unroll it. So I'm going to go around and completely frame out the raffia pumpkin. And that way you won't be able to see any of the plastic caging. But I did want it to look more finished. So I went ahead and framed it out with just a wider piece. For the pumpkin stem, you can also use the raffia to cover that. So I just went ahead and wound that around until all of the plastic is covered. This is why I love the little tinsel pieces from the Dollar Tree because they usually have a great cage underneath them like this. And you can tell just by turning them over the possibilities. Since I had unrolled it, I can go ahead and wrap that around the very back. I'm also going to do like the little sections of the pumpkin in some raffia too. I thought that would be cute. Again, I unrolled some more pieces. With the raffia, I did find that unrolling it flat like this probably was the most time-consuming part of the project, but I absolutely love how it turned out. So I did those three pieces to go down. For the pumpkin itself, I'm just adding some Dollar Tree fall florals and one of the leather blessed word. I went back and forth about which flowers I should use, but I ended up using the bright yellow sunflowers. I think those are really cute and it just really goes great for a Thanksgiving or a fall vibe for my home. I also had tied off a little piece of that raffia to make a hanger for a little raffia pumpkin, and I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I think it's so cute.